What the ranch? Welcome back everyone to my channel where I'm doing a series all about baking and cooking with Hidden Valley Original Ranch. This chocolate cake is so delicious, so moist, so airy, so light and fluffy that I just had to share it with everyone. I was inspired to make a chocolate ranch cake because I was watching the show This Is Us for the first time on Netflix. For context, the family was playing a game where you have to guess what foods taste better or worse with ranch or chocolate, and the answer is that ranch and chocolate don't go together. I'm here to teach everyone that you can actually use ranch in baking to improve some recipes. Let's get started. Cream together half a cup of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 3 large eggs until light and fluffy. Then add in 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened dark cocoa, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, a half cup of ranch dressing, a half cup of whole milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix until fully combined on medium-low, so speeds 2 or 3. The batter should be silky smooth. Then spray 2 9-inch round cake pans with floured baking spray. Divide the cake batter evenly amongst the 2 pans. Then you're going to bake the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 35 minutes. You can also add a parchment circle to the bottom of the pan too, just to make sure everything comes out smoothly. Once the cakes have cooled, level the cakes by cutting off the puffed up tops. Take a look at how delicate this crumb is. It's so light and so fluffy, but it tastes fudgy, but it's not dense. Oh, it's just so good. Okay, let's get ready to make the icing. For the icing, frosting, whatever you want to call it, you'll need 6 ounces of cream cheese and half cup of unsalted butter. Whip until smooth, and don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl. Then add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 3 cups of powdered sugar. Beat this until everything is silky smooth and no clumps of powdered sugar remain. And lastly, finish off with a 4th cup of sour cream. On a cake board, add a tablespoon of frosting to help keep the cake in place. Then add some frosting to the center of the cake layer and spread out evenly before adding the second layer of cake on top. Create a crumb coat, then refrigerate for 2 hours or overnight. Once your cake has firmed up, add more frosting and finish your cake. This frosting is basically a buttercream cream cheese frosting, so you could totally do roses as well, but I just wanted to eat this cake as fast as possible, so I didn't really decorate it all that much. Slicing into it to show you what it looks like. Ooh, it's so good, you guys. This cake tastes best at room temperature and best eaten within 5 days. Please give this recipe a try, and if you like my idea, please tag Hidden Valley for me. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!